Moikka! Sometimes you just feel like doing something little with colors, and then it is time to do some bite-sized art journaling. I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. I had this thought today that I would love to make some bite-sized circles, so we are going to do that. Today I will be using some watercolors and then some markers. And I will do the little circles with a pen harp. And if you haven't got one of these, no worries, you can do this with a freehand circles, or then choose some objects from your home, different size circle objects. But now I will put some page covers and then let's do some circles. The circles are ready, and next let's start the painting. This will be so much fun and relaxing also. I think we are done, and this looks pretty awful. But I don't mind. I feel a bit rusty today because I just came back yesterday from a trip to Netherlands. So it was a wonderful trip, but now I'm a bit tired. But still I had to do something with colors. I always need the color therapy. But even if this looks quite bad, we will not let that stop us. Now will we? I will let this dry and then I will do some decorations. But yes, let's turn ugly into nice. Yes, this is much nicer now. I think the decorations help a lot when the background is a bit messy. And what a lovely little coloring project this was. Let's see what we will do next time. I hope I have more time to do something bigger. Happy art journalings and until next time. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.